Dang, you here early. He couldn't wait to work on Eddie.
I can't wait to work on Eddie, but look at the sunshine. Good God Almighty, I don't know if I'm still asleep or what. I think I'm dreaming.
He couldn't wait to get over here and work on
I
Eddie.
don't believe it. Evidently, we're working on Eddie.
Yeah. Here's Eddie. Eddie. Good looking truck, ain't it?
Yeah. Couldn't wait to get over here. Going the heck back home, bro.
Got better things to do in the sunshine.
Yeah, shit on Eddie.
Don't worry, Eddie. He's gonna like you when you go.
Yeah. Only because you're gonna be powered by Chevrolet.
Did Chevy have a guy named after their shit like Eddie Bauer? Ford's got a couple. They got Shelby. Now Shelby made the Mustang. That was a dude. Put his name on the car.
Yeah.
And then Eddie Bauer.
That's where they was changing the flavor of people.
Eddie Bauer is just a guy. He got the store in the
How
mall.
you doing, sir? What's your name? My name's Shelby. That doesn't soft boy. You said that's a man. There ain't no damn man. Halfway.
Yeah, I don't think Chevrolet's got anything like that.
They didn't need all that. They didn't need all them names to sell their product.
Alright, we got a lot to do today with Eddie. A whole lot.
All right. I feel I don't hate this as much.
You don't hate it?
Nah, this is gonna be fun. Eddie sucked. Like we passed that part right now.
We got past the Eddie back here.
Yeah, so now we gotta chop his ass up some more.
Yeah.
That's what he deserves. Weak sauce. That's what this part of the buggy is. Weak sauce. We actually put this on there so no little bitty twigs to come up and stab us in the leg. We're using the rest of Chevrolet so we know we ain't gonna burn down. We all see how slow Eddie was. He just floored it. It kicked up like 3 leaves. Didn't do anything. Yeah, we're gonna make a difference in Eddie.
We gotta cut and fit this thing to the frame. And to figure out where we need to put it, we're gonna have to put the engine and transmission in it. Let's dismantle. Ow!
Some heavy shit,
Yeah.
bro.
And Eddie, I think he just cut my hand.
Yeah, Eddie's gonna cut you today.
Let a fly land right on it.
Look, we gotta move this even more.
Look, he won't get off of me. Did you see him? He
Yeah.
rolled all of it. Damn, Eddie's heavy as hell. Get off here, Eddie. Oh shit. They put them on backwards, cut them. They cut them and welded them on. That's what we got. So those are actually supposed to bolt to the engine. These are your clam mounts that bolt to the cross member. Somebody did that. Somebody was overthinking. Somebody was wowing out. Somebody was fucking up.
It wasn't us. That's the old drag truck piece.
He gonna flip our mount around. Somebody put that on upside down.
That might have been it.
That was me, I did that. Yeah, pick it up. Now we gotta take the bolt out.
Scoot the motor into me. All right.
Some of that S10.
You can get it when it's done.
He's waiting on it.
That's all right. Just wait on it. Keep driving your shit.
Alright, we got our motor mounts, bolts in that stuff that's happening there. Here's our trans mount. We got to do some hackery to get this to line up a little better.
All of this is happening because they used the wrong motor mounts on the wrong side, chop them up. If we get it fixed to where it's sitting just good, we don't even have to put a hole right there. We'll weld it up.
Nah, we're gonna have to work on it.
That's the Eddie 2.0. You ain't gotta take this back out.
One day. I bet one day we will. Probably have some kind of used transmission we're gonna have to change out. We're gonna burn it up.
Yeah, and then we're gonna burn up even more.
Yeah.
We're gonna just keep blowing stuff and burning up stuff. I can only imagine what we're gonna do to this thing over the time. Smiling over there. Look at them trucks over there, y'all. He don't give a damn. He's this damn Eddie got it. Well, I'm gonna find him another Explorer so he can drive it to work and stuff. Not when he wants to take it in the bushes. He say it's clean. It's got to be an Eddie Bauer too. He gonna love that thing. He gonna drive it to work and drive home. That thing nice. It drives so good. Y'all, he going to Ford lover. I don't know what's going on with it. It is what it is. It's gonna be
I'm
good.
wondering about this pinion thing.
I ain't worried about none of it.
This is gonna be awesome. I'm excited. Shit going in there, man.
Shit going in there.
Yeah, dirt. See how we do it. This is what we got. So we got a lot to chop off here. I know you like cutting them.
Yeah, because you left me hanging.
One less piece of Eddie on there.
Look at it. Left me hanging. If Eddie, let me tell you something. If Eddie didn't burn down, y'all,
You still like it?
we would do something with Eddie that we could fire it up and take off.
Yeah.
Now we have to build a new Eddie because Eddie.
Cause of Eddie.
So this Eddie, instead of spending money, we got a bunch of crap laying around. We're gonna build an Eddie. It's the only way to have fun.
And then we're still gonna have to spend money.
But it's Ed's garage, so for example, it's gonna build a street rod.
It's gonna be here a long time.
It's been at Ed's for a long time, so we just keep the eyes open. You might see this buggy moving one day. Shit might go to a whole nother level.
This shit never gonna leave the driveway again. So plan A failed, guys, so this is what we got now. So we're gonna drive from back here.
I'm about to make a wheelie machine.
A wheelie machine. Look at that there. I'm kidding. We just moved it back. We gotta cut some more. We're gonna cut this where the frame is to get it to sit all the way on the thing there. This is what we got. We got it set on there. We had to notch it for the frame there, but it's level. We just got a problem getting our seats in there now.
Train comes right up in your butt.
Somebody cut it too short.
Ain't nobody cut it too short. The seats ain't right.
Here's our seat. See, it's hitting the frame. We almost need it to sit all the way down with the floorboard, because if not, my head's gonna be hanging out the roll cage.
When I get up on Saturday, I say, well, I gotta go to work again. It's like a job now.
Especially with Eddie.
It's supposed to be a fun thing, but it ain't never fun. It's like work.
Shit, it's fun.
Especially if you're tired. If you already wore out, and then you gotta get up.
You done worked all week.
Yeah, like working like a dog,
Yeah.
and then you gotta get up, and it's like, dang.
Yeah, this thing looks like it's made for it. Look how much room you got in the tunnel there. That's more than your S10.
Yeah.
We ought to put a Ranger body on your truck, on your frame.
If we do that, then we put a Ranger on yours too. The F-100. Are you willing to do that?
Nah,
Okay. I ain't either. You ain't changing my truck's gender. You ain't doing it. I ain't letting you. That much more room.
yeah, there goes another Mustang.
Oh, you hear it?
They cruising.
Sound like it's blowing through a bubble.
Sound like a fart I let in the morning when I'm pissing.
Look at the disaster we made with this thing.
Yeah, we still gotta clean all this shit up.
Yeah, look at it. I mean, we made a mess. Eddie is working the hell off of us.
Yeah, I'm tired already. I feel like I need to do more, but I'm tired.
We ain't lift this thing off here but 80 times.
Yeah, they did. I think they missed all that. I think the batteries died while we were.
Well, 80 times is good, 80 times.
At least 10. 80 might have been exaggerated, but a good 10.
It felt like 80.
Yeah.
It felt like 90. You don't know the truth.
Say hi.
He said, "What's up, Pete?"
Buddy, you can't go that way.
Well, he likes Eddie already. He was riding it. He's like, "When we gonna ride in this thing? It's awesome." It is cool, ain't it, buddy? Was that what you want? You don't want that.
What is it?
No, don't let him have it.
It's a rock.
Yeah, don't let him eat the rock.
I'm not letting him.
Yeah, you are. He's putting it in his mouth.
And you handed it to him. I'm not letting it. That's some work. Look at it.
I know. We didn't do nothing.
Yeah, the hell we did.
We barely accomplished anything. Alright, guys. One day at a time, one pack of cigarettes.
Not today.
How many you smoke?
Probably about
5,
15.
15. How many comes in a pack? 20?
20. It turned out better.
Yeah, it looks better.
It don't look like it's.
Clown car?
Yeah, the lean-to didn't help it.
It don't look like a clown car no more?
Yeah, it kind of still does. It looks more like a better vehicle than the way it was. So that thing looked crazy. Yeah,
Alright. That's it. That's it for this one. Till next time. See you.
See?
Got it right this time.
Almost.
See.
You gotta say till next time.
Till next time.
See you.
See you.
See, you messed up. You didn't even know what your own flow.
I was waiting to hear you say it though. I was trying
I can't do that. I can't give you a hint first. It's only one way.
to see you.